So basically, what way I think about it, the discounted value of life. So here, we go to V. Where do we go to V? That's going to be basically on this 1 year basis. It's going to be now. If we had a whole series of years, so then we'd be summing this. Let's say we had n periods, so we extend the utility function of n periods, and you can take an action. I'm going to do that a little bit later on. Let me hold that for a moment. And you have to think of it over a number of years, because if I improve, think of this. This is a very the demography of what life expectancy has this interesting fundamental complementarity. If I take an action that raises my probability of surviving next year, it also raises my unconditional probability of surviving the following year, and the following year, and the following year. Doesn't necessarily affect the conditional probability once I reach it, but the unconditional probability is affected. And it's the unconditional probabilities that enter into the analysis, not the conditional probabilities. All right? I'll show you that more explicitly. But it should be clear, because cap S, let's say the conditional probability is a little s, and the unconditional cap S is cap S. So if I had 3 periods, I'll show you. Here's important. So here's our utility function up there. Okay. I have 3 periods. All right, so B is going to be equal to, I'll do this exactly everything. Let's call that you can go on and on. Beta, well, we know. What is S2? S2 is, as of the present, what's my probability of surviving through the second period? S3 is, as of the present, what's my probability of surviving through the third period? These are unconditional probabilities. Right. Now, you can write S3 as equal S2 times little s2 times little s3. Where little s2 is the conditional probability of surviving the second period, given that I reached the second period. Well, in this example, everybody reaches the second period, but it may not be. And s3 is, given that I've reached the third period, what's my probability of surviving through the third period? And capital S3 is the product of those two things. Okay. And that's a complementarity type property. And so we'll use that to gain some insights, all right? But not yet.